Child, I love wigs like this for the simple fact that you literally just throw it on your head and go. I mean, the little bit of lace that you have to deal with, it's not much. It's very snug, very secure, meaning that it's going to adhere to your head, okay? We don't have to worry about the wind blowing. It's on very tight. Like, y'all see this? It ain't going nowhere, and I'm absolutely here for this. I didn't even get a comb in, honey. It's all from that elastic band that's attached in the back. Now, I did get a comb in the back, but the back ain't gonna do much. But I'm loving this. Do you see this? It's not going anywhere. Like, y'all, oh my gosh, it's ever so seamless. This is wow. Okay. What's up, my curly niestas? It's your girl, Shareen Nicole, back with another review. So in today's review, we are gonna be talking about BLY Hair, y'all. This is 100% human hair wigs. It says beauty, love, and youth. And we are here for D, all the above. All right, so let's go ahead and get her open. Ooh, we got goodies, y'all. We got goodies. Check it out. So as soon as I open it, we've got some lashes. I'm gonna show y'all individually because this is so good. Ooh, these lashes look nice. So we got some fox mink lashes, yes. And then we've got an extender, like an elastic band to keep your wig even more secure. So I'm here for that. And then we also have the HD wig caps, baby. That's what I'm talking about. And your girl's gonna need one right about now. Y'all already know your girl always has her hair back in a little bun. And that's what I have right now. Plus my hair is straightened. I straightened it just so I won't have to have a difficult time managing it. So hopefully we can get this on and popping. Look at this. Now that's transparent, honey. That is nice. Okay. And here is the unit, y'all. So she is 22 inches of goodness. Let's get her out the pack, baby. Yes. Now she does come in multiple colors and probably multiple lengths as well. So I'm always here for that. And baby, I probably don't even need this cap, but I was like, let me put it on just in case. Y'all know, if y'all rock with me, y'all already know I do not be putting wig caps on unless needed. Oh my gosh, she smells so good. If y'all remember my other video that I did with BLY Hair and it was smelling good, she's smelling good, okay? So yes, honey, look at this. It's the curl pattern. Oh my gosh. Look at how, oh my goodness. That color is everything, honey. Yes, absolutely here for it. So she does come with the elastic grip band like I showed y'all. This is just an extra one. And then she also has combs on the side in the temple area. So you see one right here, the other one right here. So that's gonna be for there. And then you also have a comb in the back, yes. So I am here for this. And this lace, baby, this is meaning that this wig is going to be glueless, okay? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So if you are a fan of not having to do much to your hair, this is for you. So I feel like the reason why I said I didn't want to put a cap on is because she already has her nice tinted spot right there with the lace. And sometimes the cap will show through, even though it is HD cap. It's the front lining of the cap. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't want to show that front lining of that cap. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, baby. Baby. Child, all I did was throw her on. Now, right here, we can always cut that off a little bit, and it'll proceed into the hairline. But fresh out the box, baby. Fresh out the box. What? See, even my dog likes it. He's like, woof. Oh my gosh. She is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all can't say nothing. Look at this parting. Do y'all see the, let me come closer. Do y'all see the parting on this? That is exceptional. That is flawless right there. And it's already done for you. Baby, we ain't got to do nothing but put some glue right here. And you don't even have to do that. Put a little bit of glue right here if you want to hold it down and make sure it stays in place. But I haven't even put a comb in yet, y'all. I have not even put a comb in. I'm like, yo, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm in love. I'm just All the above, honey, all the above. So we could get her on real good and get my ear out. And like I always do, I love to do this and just take some baby hairs out. So with her, I mean, having the straight baby hairs might not be the best idea, but sometimes I like to just gel her down. But with this unit, I feel like you might want to just be natural. You know what I'm saying? Have a little curl piece right here and do a little curl piece with some mousse. And you are rocking, honey. You are rocking out. Yes. Let me get this side. Oh my gosh. Only for the simple fact that my hair is straight is the reason why I don't want to put any mousse in it right now. But y'all get my drift. You make yourself a little curl like this with the mousse, and it'll curl right up along with these curls, and you are good to go, honey. Let me make sure I get her on straight, because, baby, I plopped her on and was like, yes. I said yes. And like I said, with this, you can either do a little tuck-in method, or you can just cut this little piece off right here of lace, and it's just going to blend seamlessly. But, y'all, you can't tell me anything. You cannot tell me she is not fly. She is not fresh to death, baby. What? Okay. All right, so let's stand up. She's so soft. Oh my gosh. You have no idea. All right, let me stand up so I can show y'all what it do, okay? All right, so as soon as I stand up, she comes right here. Just trying to make sure I'm holding my head straight. So this is where she comes, a little bit past the boob area. And let's go ahead and turn around and see what she's looking like in the back. Oh my gosh, it's the color and the style. Like a side part, yes. Sign me up, baby. Hopefully y'all can see where she's coming to. And she is awesome. So this is where she comes on the back, mid back, lower back, not even mid back. She comes the lower back. So can y'all imagine if she was wet? Oh my goodness. Let me pick y'all up a little bit. Hopefully y'all can see it better. Do y'all see that? Oh my gosh. She's so pretty, y'all. I love it. I absolutely love this. Wow, gorgeous. All right, y'all, so make sure y'all comment. Let me know what y'all think about this unit, because this unit is fire. That's all I have to say. She is just absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I can't say enough about her. BLY Hair has definitely done it again. Wow. Y'all, I'm not even gonna hold you. I can't stop playing with this hair and just running my fingers through it. Oh my gosh. This is definitely a throw on your head wig and go. Like, you saw it for yourself. All I did was put it on and it was a wrap. That was it. I can just walk out the door like this, baby. And you could do a little tuck behind the ear. Let's say you didn't want to cut that piece of lace off. We could just do a tuck behind the ear and pull forward. That is my go-to method, honey. All day, every day. What? Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this wig. Y'all, I was not expecting to be blown away like this. Y'all are seeing it for the first time with me, and I'm here for it. I absolutely love it. So I hope this review helped, and I will see you guys in my next review. Bye.